Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can choose whatever you want to in all those other ones. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick to continue. And finally hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of TCL. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to access those connection ways. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on TCL. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button, then wait. Close our ads, and as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!